So hey, what is up, Vapers? Welcome to Asian Vapers Review. My name is Adrian Low Deja Vu. In this video, let's talk about these new products by Lost Vape. This is the Furyan. There are two types of colors available and is compatible with 18650 battery, 2700 battery, 21700 battery. And for more information, let's take a look more closer about this product, guys. Remember, this is the Squonk box mode, unregulated box mode, and is only the box mode. Okay, there is no atomizer inside this packaging. But what the hell, this box is so big. What's up, Vapers? So at the first, hope you don't mind because Malaysia had an election just now. They chopped this to my hand. It looks like this. Hope you all don't mind. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. Mechanical Squonker. You get one cloth, Furyan user manual, Lost Vape warranty card, the Furyan Squonker box mode, one Squonk bottle, and the adapter for the 18650 batteries. You're all gonna take a look at this box mode. At the first, this is the ULTEM. This is how you insert your batteries. Like this, twist it. Actually, I don't like this type of battery door. Okay, and for the Squonk bottle, you just open and then just pull it up like this. Actually, you can peel this off, but we don't really need to take off these things. Don't purposely go to take off all of these things. All right, 21700 batteries fits. So this box mode does not have any chipset. It's a Squonker unregulated box mode. There's no rattle sound. Gold plated, and this is how you lock the fire button. Cannot press anymore. Inside, as you can take a look, inside right here, this is how they design, right? Push it down, and you can press it. Touch with the positive, and it will fire, alright? And right here on top, it writes Furyan. There's a Squonk 5 ml silicone Squonk bottle. This is the way you opened the bottom, and this is the top for you to drip in your e-juice. Let's try to fill up some e-juice. Put it back. There, this is how the inside looks like. So it does not have any cylinder steel or anything. It will directly, this hole right here, connect with inside this. You just put these whole things. And there's a notch right here. See, there's a notch right here. You lock it right here. Push it and turn it counterclockwise to lock it. But honestly, I don't like this type of door. Alright. About the size is 84mm in height. This section until this section, 50mm from this section until this section, and for the atomizer width right here is a 27mm. So the material for this box mode is ULTEM brass and stainless steel. The design actually is quite not bad actually. I just don't like the battery door like this type of twist. And let's take a look about the Squonk. Okay, seems these things is gold. Let's just try to insert the gold color DJV RDA. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, press the fire button, everything goes smooth. Now let's just try to vape. The Squonker is almost the same, good to press like usually every Squonker. There's nothing much different. If you want to compare Squonk, you're just going to compare the RDA. About the power button, there is the different feeling, you know, about this power button. Feels like it's hard, a little bit hard, because this is unregulated. So inside they just use spring, you know, got two springs, small spring inside, and it's more harder at the top and more easier at below. You can lock as well. You can lock this. There you go. After you lock it, there's no firing. There's no firing. Push down this lock button. Let's just try. This motherfucker is selling at heavengift.com for 89 USD. For me, this type of device is a little bit quite expensive also lah, okay? It's at 89 USD way. And it's just an ULTEM right here. And I don't know why they put carbon fiber right here. It doesn't seem so mesh with the ULTEM and the gold color. Okay, so if can, it's better if they're available in other type of sleeve. For you all can change the sleeve every time. Actually, you can modify, custom your sleeve yourself. Open it up, you must open the screws and you open out this carbon fiber. You just wrap in any stickers you like if you don't like this carbon fiber. So for the bottom right here and the upper section right here, this is very nice. This is the brass material. It's not the gold plated as they written right there. This is the brass. If you don't like this amber type, you can change the black color version. There is an amber brass. It looks like this, the amber brass, or you want the black brass. Black brass, I think, is more suitable for this at the back right here with this carbon fiber. And for the cons, actually, I don't like this type of... There. It's got a little bit rattle sound. Okay, it's because there is not a thread. There is just a... You just twist it and open the Squonk bottle like this. And just... twist it like this and it will get a little bit like a spring, you know. Seems like when you touch it like this. There is no sound when you shake it, but when you press it, for the Squonk section right here, it's just a little bit like this. But for the battery right here, there's no sound. I just don't like about the thread and open like this. So at the top right here is graving Furyan, works very nicely. Not bad to hold, quite good also, very easy for you to squonk. The shape, the design. So who the one that likes Squonker that got brass version like this lah, you all can try this Lost Vape Furyan. Alright, so I think that's all that I'm gonna tell you in these videos about this Lost Vape Furyan. I don't know why every time Lost Vape they give you such big box, you know. Okay, the packaging. Remember to try out these things and I'll see you all at my next videos again. Arigato, kamsahamnida guys.